Hey everyone, if you want to change your VPN location in Proton VPN in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to switch servers and change your virtual location in just a few clicks. First, changing your VPN location lets you appear as if you're browsing from another country, which can help with privacy, speed, or accessing region-locked content. Start by opening the Proton VPN app on your device. Now log in using your Proton account credentials. If you're already connected, first click Disconnect to stop the current VPN session. Now open the server list and browse available countries. Select the country you want to connect to. Yeah, you can choose nearby servers for faster speed or distant ones for content access. Now click Connect. Proton VPN will switch your location automatically. Open a browser and check your IP address to confirm your new location is active. You can also use Quick Connect to automatically choose the fastest server in a selected region. For the best speed, choose a server close to your actual location. Yeah, this reduces lag and improves performance. A common mistake is forgetting to disconnect before switching servers, which can sometimes cause connection issues. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change VPN location in Proton VPN in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.